Hello friends, welcome to KB Tutorials. In this tutorial, I am going to talk about how to take a screenshot and how to save it into the our file location using WebDriver IO. So here, I want to automate this submenu where if I go here, I want to click on this Vashi and I want to take the screenshot of this how it is being automated, and I want to save it into my file system so that I can refer to it in a later part. So how to do this in WebDriver IO? Okay, so I have developed this small script here where what I am doing is I am going to navigate to this OYO rooms, then it will move to the particular element, then once the submenu gets selected, then it will click on the Vashi. Here we need to take the screenshot. Okay, how to take a screenshot? Here simply just click browser dot, if you just type take ta, you will get take screenshot. Okay, this is a method guys to take the screenshot. Okay, then to see this, okay, I want to write it to one file location, so browser dot here save screenshot. Okay, simple. Then you need to pass your path where you wanted it. Here I wanted it this location in E, and I wanted in some folder, and you need to mention the file name as well. Let me give as something like 1.png. Okay, and let me run this. I have saved it, and if I run this, what it do is it will go to this particular website, it will click and it should take a screenshot and it should save into the particular file system. That means it will save to the particular disk. So disk, not disk, it's disk. Okay, now you could see it got executed successfully. Now just let me refresh this, and if you see somewhere else, if you see here one, okay, this is a one I have created, 1.png. okay, if I see this, now you could see it is getting highlighted at this point. Like this you can automate guys. So if I execute one more time, will it replace? Let's see that. So I'm executing this. Okay, the same file should get replaced. Instead of throwing some error, the same file should get replaced. So let's see that. So it started running now. So you can see it clicked and it closed. Now let me refresh this again. Now you can see it is successfully executed. That means the same file should get replaced. Right, cool. So just for our reference, I'll just execute this here. Here, move to. Okay, and try to execute one more time. Simple. Take screenshot method and just save the particular screenshot. Now you can see it started running and it is opening the application. Then you should click on this. It is going, still it is loading actually. Now it is taking more time to load. Now you could see it clicked and it got closed. Now with the same name I should get the different screenshot. So I have executed. Just refresh one more time. Now you could see it is there, right? So like that we can take the screenshot and save it to the particular location. I hope it's informative for you guys. Thank you so much for watching.